Back again with a clean opening. Oh, that is beautiful Dawn. Okay. Okay. We got VV Dawn. Alabaster Dawn. Whatever it is. That's one of my favorite Dawns so far. We got Chopper. That was a nice Dawn. We got Queen Momonosuke. Charlotte Perospero. And Nekomomaru? I think that's his name. Oh my god, look at that card. Oh, that pattern is insane. This hollow is insane. This card is so nice. Just give me a second here. Let me get a sleeve for this. Wow. That is one nice card. That is one nice card. Special treatment deserved. What is that? These alt arts or full arts, whatever it is, man. I wish I knew the right term. Wow. Oh, it feels nice.